Welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to insert and remove a line in your Word document in Microsoft Word. Now, without taking much of your time, let's dive in. How to insert and remove a line in Microsoft Word. For the purpose of this video, we'll be making use of this random document here. Now, take for instance, I want to insert my line here, like to form a demarcation. And while working in my documents, I'll just bring your cursor here and click or tap on your dash key 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I click enter. If I want to remove this immediately, I can just say use the shortcut key Ctrl Z, as you can see. But let's say after demarcating the line, using the line or inserting the line, I finished working and I discovered, oh, I don't need this line anymore. You can just come back, and the Ctrl Z key cannot work on, or the Ctrl Z shortcut key cannot work on this because I have already I've passed where I was from the beginning. Now the first thing is to highlight on it and then come to your ribbon, come to your paragraph, come to this under your paragraph, click on these borders and scroll down to no border and click on no border. As you can see, the line is gone. Easy peasy. To enjoy more tips like this, kindly like, share and subscribe. And don't forget that we'll be hosting a free course on Microsoft Office Suite. The link will be in the description. See you in our next video next time. Bye.